Welcome back to Autoscope. Honda Motorhome 2026 External Design Aerodynamic and Modern Style. It is expected to have an aerodynamic and modern design for better fuel efficiency. Compact size. Since Honda is renowned for its energy-efficient designs, their RVs shouldn't be too large. Useful external amenities. It ought to have features like an easy-to-open awning, bike rack, or back baggage box. Easy access. It's easy to load and unload, as well as to enter and escape, thanks to a wide rear door and automated folding side doors. Interior design. Flexible and modular layout. The interior will most likely be designed to maximize the available space. Chairs that can be folded up and moved. Functional kitchenette. It is expected to have a sink, a small refrigerator, a microwave, a 2-burner induction cooktop, and ingenious storage for food and cooking utensils. Comfortable sleeping. In addition to the couch bed, there will most likely be a double bed option at the back. LED ambient lighting, a system of LED lights that may be changed to produce a modern, comfortable atmosphere. Performance and engine. Effective hybrid engine. Given Honda's emphasis on fuel efficiency, the motorhome is most likely to be powered by a hybrid engine that combines a gasoline engine and an electric motor. Front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. AWD, an all-wheel drive option may be available for greater capability in a variety of driving conditions. The Honda Sensing Safety and Driver Assist likely comes with a number of active safety features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automated emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. Examples of connectivity include USB ports, 12 volts and 220 volts power outlets, and perhaps Wi-Fi access, a huge touchscreen, smartphone connectivity, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and navigation system. And maybe other entertainment features are all part of the sophisticated infotainment system.